Welcome back to our burnout series. In this episode, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite techniques to reduce burnout. It's called 3GT, or 3 good things. One of the best predictors of human happiness is the ability to reframe positively the situations that happen in your life and to experience and express gratitude. So that all sounds lovely, but what does it look like in real life? Well, a team of researchers put that notion to the test. They took a group of workers and asked them at the end of every day to think of 3 good things that happened, to reflect on why they happened, and to write them down. So what were the results? Workers reported less likelihood of leaving their job within 6 months. They had less depression, they had less emotional exhaustion, and they had better work-life balance. Isn't that something we would all want? Practice 3 good things yourself. As a clinician, you might do it at the beginning of the day, maybe at lunch, even at the end of the day. In my own family, we do it at the dinner table. Either way, reflecting on the good things that happen in your day, positively reframing those, and expressing that to your friends and family helps you reduce burnout.